Okay, nice day today. Okay. 14th question. Who's going to dictate the 14th question?
Can I read, ma'am?
Yeah, ma.
Side AB and AC. Can I start, ma'am?
Uh, exercise
And
page number.
AC.
Yeah. Exercise and page number.
Exercise 6.3, ma'am.
3.
Refer page 141.
141 textbook question. Hmm. Others mute. Let
14th
Bhagya
one.
read. Let Bhagya read.
Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ and PR and median PM of other angle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR.
Very good. Thank you. See, now median is given. Now let us see median. What do you mean by median?
A line from one side of the vertex which divides the base into two equal parts, and even the areas also.
Correct. So from one vertex, when it divides exactly into half, so this B, suppose if I draw AD is a median, means BD is equal to DC. Suppose if I draw a medium here, PM, okay, PM is a median of this triangle. This QM is equal to MR, okay. So that is called median. Median means when the vertex drawn from a triangle divides the size into exactly into two parts. Okay, remember that. Now go to the question. So before going to the question, easy way to do this is, here they are giving AB is proportional to PQ, AC is proportional to PR. So the last sum is there, it is different. Same question, that is easy. This sum is little tough, so only I took this sum to teach you. The other sum you can do as homework. Now one construction we will do easily. Here one midpoint we will take. Construction. E is midpoint of AB.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Hello? Yeah. Connection, problem. Now everyone mute, then you can hear.
Ma'am, we can
Everyone
hear you,
mute your system, ma. Everyone mute your system, please. Everyone, see who's not muting. E is a midpoint of AB and S is a midpoint of PQ. Okay, midpoint. Now, I think you can hear now. Okay, join ED. You'll have to join this ED and you'll have to join this SM. Join SM. Now, you see, this is a midpoint, this is a midpoint. I'm drawing midpoint. So, easily it is understood that midpoint theorem of 9th standard, what you studied. What is that you studied in midpoint theorem? The line joining the midpoints of two sides is parallel to the third side. Parallel to the third side. So, according to that, according to the midpoint theorem, according to, yes, ma'am?
Mom, this is just like the 12th sum we did, mom. Same exercise.
It is like also, but it's given as proportion. It's given in the form of a sentences. Okay. So
no, even in the
just check it out. Okay,
mom,
let me
that
complete.
also is proportional.
Let me
Same, ma'am. Same question, ma'am.
Same.
We did this for homework, ma'am.
It won't be same, ma. It won't be same. Right?
No, ma'am, it is not same. We should do some construction, I think, ma'am.
12th sum is different. 12th sum, you know what is the difference? I'll tell
Same
you.
type but different steps.
AB and PC. AB and PC. There it is given this part and this part. Here it is given this part and this part. So I have to prove angle A is equal to angle P here. Okay. So when you practice 2 times, 3 times, then you will understand what is the difference in that. Okay. Now let me complete this first. Okay. Listen. First you listen. So according to midpoint theorem, according to converse of midpoint theorem. Okay. According to converse of midpoint theorem, what you will use is, you will use ED is parallel to AC. So because ED is parallel to AC, start from there. If ED is half of AC also, midpoint theorem says ED is half of AC. Okay, same way that side SM. you should do. SM is half of PQ. SM is half of PQ. Why we do that means AB is there. No, I will take AB is half of AE. Okay, this board is not moving again. As is there for me. Seema. Connection is not working. So we have to start. Jerry will not know. Sam has gone. Midpoint is there, no? Midpoint is E. So what happened? AB by PQ should come from the given only. Start from given and you need to prove. 1 minute. Take it time to come back. Where is our... The problem is there means it will not come only for us. Okay, we will do it again. We'll do it again. Okay, this is what yesterday is, right? Okay. So it's given is AB.
AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Thank you. So what are we doing is we taken a midpoint. Okay, so this is A, B, C. AD is a midpoint. Then we take one more midpoint E. Okay, similarly for small triangle also PQR, we have a midpoint PM and then one other midpoint S. So this is parallel. So ED is parallel to AC. That means ED is half of AC. Now you come back to given. Come back to given in the proof. Come back to given in the proof. AB. Instead of AB, you take half. Half of AB, half of AB, half of PQ. So half of AB and halves of equals are equal, right? So instead of half of AB, we can write AE. AE by PS. AE by half of PQ is PS. That's all. Okay, easiest method only I'm telling you. So it's given AC by PR, you can write. And what is given, you can write as given. You can write it as given. This is the first step. Second step is, because of the midpoint theorem, half of that. So AE. AE by PQ is equal to AD by PM. We will not consider this. We'll use this. Okay. So now by SSS. So this is by SSS. So AE by PS. See this triangle. We are comparing these two triangles. Okay, AE by PS is equal to AD by PM. So by the third also is B equal. So ED by ED is also equal to SM. ED is also SM. So triangle ADE is similar to triangle PMC. This two triangle. Okay. So by SSS. Now angle 1. Now you write it as angle 1, angle 2. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because of corresponding angles. Because of corresponding angles of similar triangle, you can write it down. Okay. So two sides are equal and one angle is equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Similarly, you can write. And then when you add angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 2 plus angle 4, when you add, you get angle A. So angle A is equal to angle P will come. Correct? So already we proved AB by, already we proved what? AB by PQ is given. is equal to AC by PR. This is given in the question only. So now we proved angle also. So by SAS, you should put. That's all. By SAS, A, what do you need to prove? ABC is similar to triangle PQR will come by SAS. Okay, easy. Now, you go to 15th sum also. I'll complete off. It's very easy. Read one of you 15th question.
Excuse me,
I'll
ma'am.
read.
Yes, Amrita.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Kartika want to join the meeting, ma'am.
Why ma so late? She's coming.
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am? Can I read, ma'am?
This one I'll read, ma'am.
Yes,
Can I
yes.
read, ma'am?
One of you.
A vertical pole.
Yes. A vertical pole. Others, who's reading?
You read, Mithun, you
Abhishek.
read, Mithun.
Okay, the
You read,
vertical
Mithun.
pole.
A
Mithun,
vertical
Mithun
pole
read.
of
A vertical pole.
pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. At the same time, a tower cast a shadow of 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower.
So the shadow is given. This height is not given. Okay. So from here, this will go like this. So what happened? Similar triangle will be there here. You need to first prove. Here, very important is first you write AB. AB is at the height of the tower. All that is you should write in given. AB is height of the tower. Then here you give some other letter. What we can give? AB, CD. CD is the height of the pole. CD is the height of the pole. Okay. And then you start. Now we need to find out H. To find H. First, what you should do, no children? First, you should prove this triangle is similar to this. Similarity you should tell. So compare. Compare. You keep this point as E. Okay. Compare triangle CDE and ABE. These two triangles we should compare. So in this is 90 degree. Correct? 90 degree you should draw. Otherwise,
Yes,
you will not get marks. Why it is 90 degree? Because it is perpendicular.
Vertical.
Vertical.
Vertical to the ground.
AB is perpendicular to E.
Yes, sir.
It is perpendicular given. It's given. So that CDE is equal to ABE. Both are equal to 90 degrees given. And angle E is common. Actually, what I have drawn is not common. We need to draw common. My diagram is wrong.
The sun ray should be at the
Sun rays is same. So this should be common, children. Okay, this is common. Which is delete in this. Aha, something else is coming. Delete. This one I wanted to delete some. This is which is delete in this one,
Delete button, ma'am. Delete button is there. Keyboard.
Delete button only is not there here. See, something else is there. 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am, control. Ma'am, delete.
Ma'am, Alt plus F4, ma'am.
Yes. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I know. So like that.
Ma'am, can you explain this sum again, ma'am?
Yeah, definitely. It is a pole. Okay. Actually, the board is not cooperating with me. There is a pole. There is here you have a tower. Okay, here this is a tower and this is a pole. Both are from the observer in the same time. Shadow will cast. It will cast the shadow here. Okay, they are telling if this is 6 means the shadow is 4. Like this, it will fall shadow perpendicular. It is they are telling it about. They are telling about exact time, 12 o'clock. So it is perpendicular. Shadow is perpendicular here. So 90 degree, 90 degree, like this. Okay, this you leave it off. This don't want till here. So this is AB, CD. Okay, so this CDE, this triangle is similar to this triangle. You know why they are similar? AA proportionality, because 90 degree E is common. So only after you prove this is similar to this big triangle, you tell their sides are in same ratio. AB by CD is equal to EB by ED. That's all. So you put this as x, and this value is given 24. The shadow of the tower is given. So x divided by the 6 will come. AB by CD is equal to BE, that is 24. And this is ED. That's all. When you cross multiply, you will get answer. Okay, Bhagya, shall we conclude?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So one more sum which you can do it as homework. The last sum you do it as homework. Okay. And then go to revision. How to revise, I will tell you now. How to revise. Okay. How to revise.